The National Diaper Bank Network is kicking off today, and through the generosity of Huggies, we are donating 12 million diapers in 12 cities over 12 days. Most people don't realize that there's no kind of subsidy for diapers or other hygiene products, so you can't use food stamps or WIC or anything else to buy diapers.
And people are actually keeping their babies in diapers longer than they really should be because they can't afford, the expense of what it takes to change a diaper that many times. And our families are put into, the really impossible decision to say, do I buy food or do I buy diapers? No one should have to make that kind of a choice.
Little Sisters of the Assumption is getting 100,000 diapers donated from Huggies, and as is Homes for the Homeless in New York, as well as the New York food banks. So altogether, there'll be 1 million diapers that come into New York City. And then we'll have 11 other cities that we'll be going to after this.
Our own families would work with their social workers to be able to get diapers, but we're going to make it available on Wednesdays so that families who saw us either on the news or see us or read about the donation or our partners in the community, Palladia, Mount Sinai, different organizations that we work with, that they can also take advantage of this great gift.
And I was actually pretty surprised to learn that there is no social service program, government program, that will allow for payment of these critical baby supplies. It would probably behoove the federal government to maybe look at their processes to see what they'll allow their money to pay for, because I think this is a major oversight.
Is there anything that can be done on the state level?
I'll have to look into that. I think that there may be some way that we can help maybe target some funding or allow it. But again, that's a big issue. And as soon as we're done here, I'm going to go back and talk with my staff and just sort of pose the question, what are the rules involving that, and what are the chances that we can expand the programs?
I spent like $18 for like 24 diapers. So it's a big help.
And how long did 24 diapers last?
Maybe 2 days. Newborns are like, you have to be changing them recently. So I do have to spend like a lot of diapers.
I started a diaper bank in New Haven, Connecticut about 8 years ago. I'm a social worker. I did home visiting with families, and I saw this need that just wasn't being addressed, and I saw families leaving babies in one diaper all day or longer. I saw them empty solids out and put the diaper back on, and it just seemed to me that there had to be a way to respond to it. A lot of people say, well, why don't you just give people cloth diapers? And for some people that is feasible. Most low-income people don't have regular access to laundry facilities, and most laundromats don't allow you to wash them. And on top of that, most daycare facilities require disposable diapers. So it's sort of, there's not an easy way around it. Our goal is to help all communities to be able to have a way to get diapers to families who need them, because what we believe is that small things impact big things, and something as small as a diaper can impact much more than that. Somebody's ability to go to work one day, and the ability to get paid that day, and the ability to pay for the things that you need. So that's, I think, the most important thing.